How to activate Siri in iPhone? Open the settings, scroll down. Here you can see Siri. Tap here. As you can see, talk to Siri. Tap here. Enable, press side button for Siri. Enable Siri. Train the Siri with my voice. You can choose option Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. To set up Siri, tap on continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now Siri is ready. Tap done. Now Siri has trained with my voice. Now we can activate Siri with the help of two methods. We can activate Siri with the help of voice command and with the help of side button. First we activate Siri with the help of voice command. Hey Siri, open the camera. As you can see, Siri has opened the camera. Now we activate Siri with the help of side button. As you can see, press and hold the side button. As you can see, Siri has activated. Siri, open the camera. As you can see, Siri has opened the camera. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section.